You can't change how people think or what they say about you. The only thing you can do is to change your reaction towards what they do to you. This quote comes from Mahatma Gandhi, and this quote means people's perception towards you you cannot change it. You can only change how you make it affect you. You can only change your mindset towards it. For example, Messi and Ronaldo. What the fans of Messi think about Messi and say about Messi cannot be changed by Messi. Imagine being a powerful footballer, but it cannot change the attitudes of the fans. And also what the fans think and say about Ronaldo cannot also be changed. That same scenario applies to everyone in life. That is the meaning of that quote from Mahatma Gandhi. Thanks.